Hey there, home cooks. Today I'm diving into the world of olive oil and uncovering 11 surprising benefits you absolutely need to know. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking with some knowledge. First up, olive oil is packed with healthy fats. It's rich in monounsaturated fats like oleic acid, which help reduce bad cholesterol levels in your blood and lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. So next time you're sautéing those veggies, remember you're giving your heart some love. Speaking of heart health, olive oil is also a powerhouse of antioxidants. These little warriors fight off harmful free radicals in your body, keeping your cells healthy and youthful. Say hello to radiant skin and goodbye to oxidative stress. Now, let's talk about inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a sneaky culprit behind many diseases. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that works similarly to ibuprofen. So drizzle it generously on your salads and ease that inflammation. Ever worried about stroke? Studies show that regular olive oil consumption is linked to a lower risk of stroke. Just 2 tablespoons a day can significantly reduce your risk. It's like a tasty insurance policy for your brain. Heart disease is another biggie. Consuming olive oil can improve your heart function and lower the risk of coronary artery disease. It's like giving your ticker a little tune-up every day. For those of you watching your waistline, olive oil can help with weight management. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, curbing those pesky cravings. Just remember, moderation is key. Here's one you might not expect. Olive oil can help protect against Alzheimer's disease. Its compounds help clear out amyloid plaques that build up in the brain. So, adding olive oil to your diet isn't just about flavor, it's about keeping your mind sharp. Struggling with type 2 diabetes? Olive oil may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. It's a delicious way to manage a tricky condition. Olive oil also has anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that the antioxidants and oleic acid in olive oil can help inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. It's not just about cooking, it's about cooking smart. If you have rheumatoid arthritis, olive oil can be your new best friend. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and stiffness in your joints. Just another reason to make it a staple in your pantry. And lastly, olive oil has antibacterial properties. It can combat bacteria like Helicobacter pylori, which are linked to stomach ulcers. It's like having a natural defender in your kitchen. Remember, the type of olive oil matters. Extra virgin olive oil is the gold standard, packed with the most benefits. So next time you're at the store, reach for that EVU. So there you have it, 11 amazing benefits of olive oil that can transform your cooking and your health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious tips. Until next time, happy cooking.